You guys hear that? It's coming from right here. Let's figure out what's going on. One thing to note is that this water line is going through that back cover, and just leave it going through. Don't fool with trying to take it off. You don't have to. You guys see that? The fan is hitting the coils. The fan. Okay, I've unplugged it, and you can see that the fan is hitting. That's the noise we're hearing. Super annoying. I don't know if the fan itself slid forward. That's what it was. This fan this entire fan slid forwards. So if I put my fingers on it and pull backwards, I don't know if you guys can tell, there's a shaft in the middle. There it is. Is there, it's not threaded, there's not a nut on it. The whole fan just slid forward. So I'll probably just put a dab of glue right there on the front. You don't want to put like a JB Weld on that. There we go. So a little bit of glue right there. Not JB Weld, because this fan may have to be replaced down the road. Might as well clean this out while we're down here, but I'll go ahead and plug it back in so you guys can see that it works. So again, we found our problem. It's that cool. This fridge is dirty, needs to be cleaned. Got dog hair and all kind of junk under it. We'll get it cleaned out, but that's what was causing that god-awful noise. A little bit of glue and we'll be good to go. I'm gonna plug it back in so we can hear it. Here we go. Look at there. Good to go. Like and subscribe for more junk. Oh yeah, you got to put this back on. But if I have to tell you, you got to put this back on, just unsubscribe. Don't watch this video. Don't leave me a comment saying, you didn't tell us how to put the grill back on. If you can't figure out how to get the grill back on, honestly, there's nothing we can do for you. You're of no use to society.